I've kind of rebranded biohacking in my own world into how to be generally awesome. Because I don't know about you, but we came to Earth to be happy, joyous, and amazing. And the reality is, we get hammered in relationships, we get hammered by society, being somebody that we're taught from young age that do we even want to be that person? And so what my journey led me to is the complexity of the mind, the body, the emotions, the relationships, the environment. And really biohacking for me means how to bring more awareness into what we already are. Now, my favorite hack is actually spirit hacking. And, in biohacking, we focus on the body, we focus on the mind, but we're spiritual beings living a physical experience. Now, I don't know if anybody told you, but everybody knows we have 5 senses. We also have extra 4 senses, the spiritual psychic senses, psychic hearing, feeling, knowing, and seeing. But the most important thing to me is tuning in, slowing things down, and asking, what is required from me today?